Is this the start of the downhill already?
Almost.
Carry my speed on that one. Looking for Jeff. Don't see him. Actually be a lot rougher than this. Oh, I love this part. No brakes. No brakes. A little right there. Just hit a little bit. Oh yeah. Poor Jeff is used to me regrouping. I usually wait for him at all these spots, but not going to be that far back. Yeah. The only problem with coming out here is what goes up must come down. I've been telling Jeff about that route. Now I can show him. Can't tell how far down this is looking at. Who says downhill and doesn't take energy? No Jeff. Yeah. That ain't a jump. That motherfucking bump. That ain't even a bump. is what Tony was talking about. That's why I was sloughing off my speed. Otherwise, you hit that son of a bitch. Ah, that's the last of my speed gone. Ah, this is making a beautiful cross-country course.